Back another video today. Today we're going to be working on a set of Flyin Miata sway bars I picked up for pretty cheap. They're obviously not in the best shape. I bet if I cleaned them, I can make them look pretty good. Came with some like real crap end links. I'm just going to throw them away. I might keep these bushings, but my car already has upgraded polyurethanes in it. I need to get adjustable links, but I think we're going to sand them down, maybe prime them, and then we're going to paint match them. Because why not? I think blue paint match sway bars would honestly be pretty cool. You know, just something to really, I don't know, jazz up the bottom side. Nothing huge, but I think it'll definitely look pretty good. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take off all the bushings, grab the sway bar links off, then we're going to start sanding. Well, I got everything apart, but it must have been the rustiest car ever because I had to use a 1/2-inch impact to get sway bar links off. That's crazy that I had to use that. I was using my 3/8 gun, got every single one of them off but one. So now we're going to cut this off. I don't know, I guess I was there for the guy's exhaust because this is the rear bar. Oh, I hope that's not, I think it's supposed to be bent. Okay, yeah, it's supposed to be bent like that. Okay. So yeah, we're going to cut that off and then we're going to start hitting it with probably a Scotch pad. I'm not sure yet though. So I'll get you guys on my head for that. Okay guys, I know it's not the best angle, but it's going to work for now. There's the sway bar. Hope you guys can see that clearly. I'm going to try to just use a Scotch-Brite pad. I don't think this is going to work out in my favor. Let's see. Oh, it's actually bringing a lot of the shine back. This is going to take hours, though, I think. Which I don't want it to take hours. So we're just going to grab my DA, my electric DA. Let's see what we got. There it is. That seems to be 220. I'm going to try that out, see how it goes. Last thing I used on this was wood, so it shouldn't have any issue now. Wood barely takes down sandpaper, especially the amount I did. Plug this in. Oh yeah. Okay guys, the bars are done. Look pretty good. They're not perfect. Since we did take them down to bare metal, I am going to prime them. So what I'm going to use for primer, I haven't even looked yet, to be honest with you. It's just this filler primer. This will work fine. So what I'm going to do, I guess I'll put you guys on my head for this. We're going to coat these in the filler primer after I shake this for about 10 minutes. And then we'll hit them with the blue. Okay guys, so we shook this up. I'm going to do pretty light coats, but actually I'm going to do pretty heavy coats because it doesn't really matter. I just want it to dry, that way we can throw the blue on it. It's not a huge deal. I wonder if I can organize these better. No. Yeah. I kind of hate painting shit like this because it's so, you know, it's long and hard. See, I'm coating pretty heavy. And it's filler primer, so hopefully that'll get rid of some of the pitting for us. I should have hung these. I'm going to hang the next one. Yeah, I'm definitely hanging them. Because there's no way to paint the bottom, really. I don't really care about runs that much. Because I'm going to be probably sanding these a little bit. Should definitely be wearing a respirator right now too, but filler primer is always going to look weird once you start spraying it because it kind of comes back like dotty, if that makes sense. I don't know. See if we can find a place to hang this one from. So much easier to spray paint when you can actually see what you're spray painting. Okay guys, they're all shot. And the primer, they look pretty good. Got the other one over here hanging. Several hours later, just helped the buddy with his car. We're gonna paint the sway bars. I said it'd be in the next video, but I didn't think the video was complete enough. So I Scotch-Brited them. They're ready, they're hanging. We're gonna take our paint. We're gonna shake it, probably around 10 minutes. But maybe a little less, maybe 8. Warm it up a little bit. And we're going to start shooting. I'm going to put you guys on my head while I shoot so you guys can see how it goes. Okay guys, so you can hear me well. I got my respirator on, but shaking up, we're ready to shoot.
Hopefully it shoots well. Don't see why not. It's not shooting great. No, I'm kidding, fun. I'm gonna go a little heavy. I'm not really looking for the best paint job here, obviously. Just looking for it to look blue at the end of the day. This isn't gonna be seen too much, and it's already coming out good anyways. They're prepped pretty well, so I don't see why you'd have any real issues. But I'm laying it heavy on purpose because it's cold and everything. I'm scared I'm gonna get my box all blue, but it should be fine. These are looking great. No bad runs or anything I see yet. I don't really care if it's runs a little bit, you know, but nothing yet. These are gonna look cool in the car. Sorry guys, had a phone call real quick. I wish I was shorter. This would be easier to paint. I can always just do the bottoms again. So I'm not super worried about it. I get as good as we can. This looks great though. I really love these paint match cans. They're so much better than what I painted my hardtop with. That looks great. Let's do this one. Not a professional painter, guys, so. And I just want these to look blue. They don't need to be the greatest. But still, we're not having any runs or anything. Hanging it was such a better idea than doing it on the horseshoes. Or sawhorses, sorry. This sucks a little bit, but might get a little run there, I doubt it, but alright. Looks pretty good. Still got more than half a can left too. I'm pretty happy with that. Get you guys a closer look here. Looks pretty good overall. The other one too. Looking pretty good. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I want to try to keep the respirator on. It smells in here pretty bad. So they're all painted up. I'm going to be throwing them in the car in the next couple weeks here. I need to get adjustable links probably. I'm going to go just throw them in, see how they look. But hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll see you guys in the next one. Have a great day, guys.